Hey everybody, it's Geo, the information girl, and I'm coming today to show you how to create a folder or folders in Gmail. Okay, say for instance, you want all of your YouTube information to be in a folder to the side over here. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go to your Gmail account and open it up. And once you come to this page, the inbox page, you want to go to your right and you want to click on this icon right here. Okay. And so it looks like a top or some kind of top screw. All right. So you want to click there. And the next thing you want to do is click see our settings. So you click there. The next thing you want to click is labels right here. Once you click labels, you want to scroll down until you see labels here. Then you want to click create new label. You're going to get a box that pop up. So now you want to put in there YouTube or whatever you want to name this label. Okay. And next you want to click create. Now that you have created the label, you want to, and you know that it is for YouTube, you want to go and get the email that YouTube sends to your Gmail account. Okay, well, if I go to my inbox, it's not there. So I need to scroll down and find where it is. So it has to be in spam. So I'm going to click the more here and then I'm going to scroll down to spam. Okay, here it is, YouTube. So you want to just click on one of the messages that YouTube has sent, and then you want to click on where it says to me. You want to click on that drop down box to get this drop down box, and then you want to highlight YouTube's uh, email address. You want to copy it. Copy. Okay. So now that you've copied it, you want to go back to your settings, your icon settings screw here or whatever you want to call it. Then you want to click back on see our settings. Next, you want to click on filters and block addresses. Filters and blocked addresses. You want to click there. And then you want to come down right here to where it says create a new filter. Now, if you have any other folders made, then you would have to scroll down a little bit to see create a new filter. Click there. Once you create that filter, you're going to take that email that you copied and paste it here in the from line here. You want to put it right on that line. Once you've done that, you want to come down and you want to create filter. So now you're going to get another box. So in this box, you want to tell it to skip the inbox. Okay. You want to come down here to where it says apply the label. That means where do you want all of YouTube's messages to go? So you want to click apply the label, and then you want to click YouTube. You will find the title of the folder that you made, and it was YouTube. So you would click there so that Gmail will know from the email that you put in there from YouTube. It's going to skip the inbox, but it's going to apply all YouTube messages to this folder. Okay. Next, you want to click never send it to spam. Okay. And always mark it important. Okay. And you want to also say, click, also apply filter to 15 matching conversations because they've already sent me some. So I want those in there too. YouTube messages. Okay. So now it is time to create the filter. Boom. Okay, now we have created the filter. So now we're going to go back here, go back up to inbox. Okay, take this little line here and we're going to go down to our um, folder that we made for YouTube. And if you click on the word YouTube, you will see all of the YouTube messages in one folder so that you don't have them all over in your Gmail account. So that is the way you make a folder for Gmail. This is Geo, the information girl, and that this is the end of this training, and I will see you on the next video.